Today we're going to work on introducing angles in the Power Polygons. First thing we're going to do is get our notes out and write interior angle, an angle inside the shape. Add that to your notes. You see we have a Power Polygon here. We're going to measure the insides of this triangle, which is from this point to this point, this point to this point, and this point to this point. As you maybe already noticed, we have one angle that we recognize, and that's a right angle, and I know that because I can slip this right in there. So I know that from here to here is 90 degrees. And now I've just labeled that angle. Now, what would the other two angles be up here? What could these two angles be? Well, if we took even our right angle that we had, I noticed that if I put that there, it is directly in half, and half of a power of a right angle, or half of an angle, is 45, because 45 plus 45 is 90. So if this one's 45 degrees, let's check this one, and I notice the same thing. It is half of a 90-degree angle. So notice how I use the 90-degree angle or the right angle to figure out the other two angles. And if I look at this, I put them together. 90 plus 90 is 180. I wonder if that's significant to later. Alright, if I take all my triangles that I have right here and I line them up as best as I can, notice that I have a straight line here. Let's do that again. Notice that my line is pretty straight there. So what do you think I have for degrees from this point all the way to that point? How many degrees do you think I have? Well, if I look at it, I know from over on this page, each one of these small angles of the triangle was 45. So if I go back to here, I have a small 45, 45, 45, 45. 45 times 4 is 180, or I could have done 45 plus 45 is 90 and double that. So right now I am at 180 degrees. If I would do this all the way around and keep adding, then down here, just a little. And if you have these, you certainly could be making this yourself so you can see it. Now, if I went all the way around, I would have 180 plus 180 degrees would be 360 degrees. And when you have a complete angle, a circle is 360 degrees. And that might help you when you're figuring the degrees. Alright, now I need you to get out pages 17 and 18. And what we're going to do is we're going to figure out the angles of each one of these. You're going to need the power polygons. You're going to need to work with the power polygons. You have to know the angles of the power polygons. Work together to figure out what the internal angles of your shapes are. When you get done with that, you have page 19 to do together, and page 20 and 21 are homework. You need help measuring out angles, please talk to the teacher.